Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change payment authentication settings on your Sharp 50 TV. So let's start off by going to the settings and scroll down to privacy. Here go to payment and purchases, and here we have purchase authentication. Now here we can enable it with PIN, with password, or never. I recommend using with the Google password, not with the TV PIN, because everybody could get your PIN, but not everybody could get your password. And I don't recommend using it to never unless you're the only person that uses the TV. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.